It doesn't even take one name to tear each other down. Pushing through. I try my best to hurt you at the end, just to feel something right. Pushing through. When did I get grateful? When did I stop believing we still could try to wrong everything? Only all of that just falls away. Can we just stay like this? So real, so cold. Does anything have to change? I still trust the years gone by. Inside, I know there's nothing that I miss if we just stay like this. Now I'm right back.